Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Skin irritation is the most common side effect from using fruit acids. Lemon is extremely acidic, which can irritate your skin. You might experience excessive dryness, redness, and peeling of your skin. These effects can be worse if you have sensitive skin. 11 June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Lemons contain a high amount of vitamin C, soluble fiber, and plant compounds that give them a number of health benefits. Lemons may aid weight loss and reduce your risk of heart disease, anemia, kidney stones, digestive issues, and cancer. 7 January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Lemon leaves can help in getting rid of foul odor. It can also help in cleansing the vagina. All you need to do is boil a few leaves in water, cool the mixture to room temperature and wash your vagina with it. 9 August 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.